Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about is it are we going to see Bitcoin go to 6K real soon? Is that possible? Also, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader. Okay, this is what I do Monday to Friday. And me personally, I only look at the charts. That's pretty much been working for me for a long time. I've been doing this for 11 years, so the charts is to me the only way you can actually make consistent money. Okay, keyword consistent. So if you are definitely interested in that, hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, if you're watching that replay, you can hit settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. Congratulations. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. So let's get the party started. We're going to answer some questions, look at some charts. Let's see if I see anybody in the building so far. So I see a couple of people in, so I'm going to wait for more people to come in. So let's actually go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Of course, nothing is going on. Percentage-wise, actually Binance Coin is up 12%, but other than that, really nothing going on. Bitcoin Diamond is still at 51.9. Market cap is at 180. Last time we saw it, the peak, I think the peak was 185. So I'm definitely looking at this to see if the market cap can actually go above 200. We'll see. Okay, we'll definitely see. I'm trying to move this. I don't know, for some reason it's stuck or what. Hold on. Alrighty. Yeah, so the height of the market cap was at around, let me see, probably like 184, 5 ish. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get to that 200 billion mark. All right. Overall, let's look at the charts and let's see if we can actually get to 6K. All right. Now, let's go to that 4-hour chart real quick. Now, for me, what I really want to see for 6K is a couple of things. Now, number one, we have resistance right here. It doesn't mean anything right now. What I really want is to see a blast up. Okay, I don't want it to go slow. If it goes up slow, then most likely it's going to be weak and sellers going to come in, and most likely we're going to go back down. So I want something like a couple of things could happen. We can go down a little bit just to go right back up. All right, or we could just consolidate right here and make that big thrust. Okay. Now, if we make that big up move, that's what I want to see. That big up move could hit, get us to close to 6,000. It don't have to go all the way to 6,000. All right, it get us close to that 6,000 mark. You have to understand that 6,000 mark is a lot of resistance. I don't know if Bitcoin has, has enough juice to bring it up there, but it could go up there. All right. Now, when it gets there, we have to see how it reacts to that 6,000 mark. Okay, we have to see how it reacts to that 6,000 mark. So far, we had this big up move. So far, Bitcoin is actually holding the gains pretty good so far. All right, so we have to see if we could get another decent move up. Like I said before, it can't be a slow move up. If it's a slow move up, then it's suspect. And most likely I'm looking for sellers. Okay, I'm looking for another push up. And if we can't get that, then this resistance zone is pretty tough. So that's what I'm looking at. Also, I'm looking at we in May. So we in April right now. So probably the beginning of May and April, I'm looking for some type of sell off. Okay. Now the sell off doesn't have to mean it's the top and we're going all the way back to 3K. It doesn't mean that. It just means I'm looking for some type of pullback, all right? Some type of pullback, a decent pullback. Because, nothing could go up in a straight line forever. So you have to expect some type of pullback. So when we get that pullback, can we see if Bitcoin can actually hold that pullback, right? That's what that's what we have to see. So basically everything is taking it day by day, not getting too excited, not saying things like, this is the bottom, we're going to the moon. You got to actually take a professional approach and take things day by day. That's the only way you can actually stay, sane and basically not be emotional about the situation. But I'm quite sure that a lot of people went all in certain coins, so I can understand why some people are emotional. But it is what it is. Like I said before, some of you guys just have to understand or just learn about this business. Most people pretty much fell in love with certain projects or got caught up with the hype and didn't really see this as an investment vehicle. They just thought it was just this new thing called cryptocurrency, and it was like a short thing, and it really didn't have nothing to do with, investments or the financial world. They don't understand that this still is an investment vehicle. Anything can happen. There's risk involved. Okay, so you really have to understand the market. Okay, you can't play this like a video game or like it's a hobby. You really, really have to make this more like a business if you really want to succeed. I know most people believe that this is a guarantee market where things are guaranteed to go up. And I understand why they think like that, okay? Especially if you're young. If you look at most these cryptocurrencies, investors, they are very young, so they don't know any better. And they basically are following people that are, I would say, smarter than them when it comes to the investment world. So they can say anything and it can actually sound believable. Like they can make it sound like, it's the truth. So I can understand why a lot of people get caught up with the nonsense and the hype. But I'm here to tell you, bro, like you really, really have to, study the market, treat this like a business, not like a hobby. Don't be that guy. Don't be that average Joe that just want to see the market go up and up and up every single day or every single year. Okay. And you think it's 100% guaranteed. Okay. If you think it's 100% guaranteed, then you don't understand life, period. You don't understand business. You don't understand nothing. Okay. So let's go to these other cryptocurrencies right now. Let's go to actually Litecoin. So Litecoin's in a different situation here. We had this breakdown. So Litecoin is actually fighting its way up. So let's go to that 4 hour. Let's see how that 4 hour looks. So Litecoin is actually fighting its way up. Kind of looks kind of suspect. So we have to see if Litecoin can actually crawl its way up to the top. And make another up move. Okay, like I said, I'm looking for another breakout. And if we don't get that breakout, okay, then we have to expect continuation to the downside. Let's look at Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum looks good. It broke out. Okay, so we getting close to that left shoulder. All right. So yeah, Ethereum actually looks good. So Ethereum looks like it can actually make another high. All right. So just looking at Ethereum, looks like it can actually make another high. So be prepared for that. Only thing you have to just worry about is if we get resistance right here at that left shoulder. But other than that, it can definitely make a new high. Let me see here. XRP. I really don't look at XRP. Last time I looked at XRP was actually kind of suspect. So we are getting this bounce right here from XRP. XRP is a lagging cryptocurrency right now, but it doesn't even matter because if Bitcoin goes up, XRP is going to go up too. Even though it's just lagging like crazy. I mean, disgusted. I mean, it's still at 33 cents. While you have Litecoin was going crazy, all these other different currencies going crazy, and XRP just still at 33 cents. So we have to see if XRP has legs to one day just shoot up. Okay, we'll see. Let me see here. What else? Bitcoin Cash. So a couple of sells right here. Looks like we can actually might make a new high from here too. This almost look like Ethereum. We can actually make another high. Now, when we make another high, that doesn't mean anything. We can actually find resistance, so be careful with that. It's just that it's looking like we can make one more high, and just because we make one more high doesn't mean we go into the moon. Okay, like I said before, you have to expect some sells or a sell-off. Soon. It don't have to be next week or anytime soon, like tomorrow, but maybe next month, the beginning of next month, because the way I'm looking at this month, it looks like they most likely want to keep this month bullish. So I really probably don't expect too much selling this month. They probably want to keep it bullish, and if they do decide to sell, probably going to be next month. We will definitely see. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Really nothing going on. It looks like they want to go up probably one more time, unless we find resistance at these left shoulders. Okay, that's a possibility. Okay, but like I said before, we have to at least go up strong. Okay, we can't just go up a little slow like this. If we go up slow like this is kind of suspect, right? So if you guys have any questions, definitely type in your questions. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I don't know if you guys are off tomorrow. I don't know, because I think tomorrow's Good Friday or something like that. I don't know. I know the stock market is closed, so I'm not too sure if you guys are still working. But if you guys have any questions, type it in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of just basically not understanding the market, and you want to just have a clear understanding and actually understand how to make money from the markets, hit that subscribe button. All right, this is what I specialize in, and this is what I do. So let's see if I see any questions. If you're new or have any questions, let me know. 35 people are watching right now, and I don't really see no questions. So type in some questions if you have any questions. JA, what's going on? Flex, buddy. Jesus, what's going on? Travis, Eco, what's going on, bro? Okay, Ron, Randy, what's going on? Randy, Leonard, all right. What about it? Right now, this is the 4 hour, so basically we crashing. I don't know, I mean, we have a little support right here, so okay, little support right here. All right, little support right here. It could be temporary support, so just be careful. Let me see here. I'm holding BNB coin. Let me see BNB. BNB coin is actually up. It was up. BNB was actually up 12% or something like that. Let me see. I think it was 12% today. Nice little pop. Okay, 12%. Yeah. So basically, this is exactly what I was talking about. Okay, I need something like this. Yeah, for Bitcoin, I need something like this. I need it to pop up like this. If it doesn't pop up like this, then it means it's weak. So that's what I'm looking for when it comes to Bitcoin, to pop up like that. Okay, so yes, we could definitely see new highs, and we have to see if we can actually reach that 6K level. If we could, just be careful. Things could get really volatile around those levels. A lot of craziness can happen around those levels. We'll see. But anyway, so you said BNB can actually you hold into $40. Why would you hold to $40? Okay, number one, we have resistance right here. All right. So don't be scared of taking profits. Let me ask you a question. What price did you buy BNB? Leonard, what question did what price did you buy BNB? Juice goals, you said vet. I mean, or BTC. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. What's going on, Wally? You said thanks, Ben. I love your videos, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Andrew, what's going on? Chris, Cardano, what you think? It looks we're still at the resistance zone, so it looks like we can actually probably pop up one more time. You know, depending on if Bitcoin wants to do that. Okay, but you know, you could definitely pop up one more time. You know, but at the same time, you know, guys, the market is getting real. It's getting stressed out. So for the most part, you have to expect some type of pullback. Um, I'm not buying at the highs, all right. And if I did, I would have a either type stop loss, or I get out real quick. Let me see here. Why did you say BTC was falling like 2 days ago? I said BTC looks like it's going to drop, okay? And I said that BTC can actually find support at that 49 level, okay? I said if we find support at that 49 level and go up from here, okay, then it's a strong possibility we can make new highs. So when you hear me talk, okay, I never talk in absolutes. All right, I never say Bitcoin will fall. I said Bitcoin looks like it's going to fall. It looks like it's weak and we might go down to these lows, right? But I also said that we can actually find support around these areas. And if we find support around the areas, then we don't have to fall. Yeah, right now, I mean, you know, it could be that Jesus, but at the same time, you know, a couple of things we could do around here. I don't think, because if you notice that, you know, Head and Shoulders in the crypto market really don't, in my opinion, they really don't pan out that much. Um, I'm guessing because it's obvious, an obvious move. So I'm guessing this Head and Shoulders is not going to work out. All right. And I'm guessing that we are going to see another high. Right. But in order to see another high, I do want to see a nice little strong move up. Let me see here. Taking profits feel a lot better. Yeah, man. You know. But some people don't, you know, get it, Travis. Shout out to you though. What's going on? Charo, you said what up, man? What's going on, bro? So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, you know, we can make this a quick live stream. You know, overall, the market looks like it's trying to make another high. I want to see if we do make that other high. I want to see how we make it. Is it going to be, you know, one more nice move up? If it is, you got to be careful because, you know, you have to expect some type of pullback. Okay. Travis said, "What will it take to make crypto move again?" That's a good question. So the question is, what will it take crypto to move again? And my answer to that is, it is moving. See, the problem with most people, right, is they just wanted to move in one direction. You know, you don't have to make it move in one direction, right? So if you look at, Bitcoin, okay, we moved here, we moved here, we moved here, we moved down here, okay, we moved up here, we definitely moved right here, okay, we moved right here, we moved down here, we moved up here. It's moving. Okay? Most people just have to understand, how to trade those moves. Now, if you're talking about moving in a bullish fashion like 2017, then you have to basically, in my opinion, it has to be pumped up again by the media, okay? Somehow, okay? It can't be, just a regular pump. It has to be pumped up again. Maybe more bigger players come in the market, but it all depends on, if they want to come in the market, right? And then we just need hype again. You just need that hype. But overall, the market is still in a bear market, and I believe, we just have to get to those levels where most of these altcoins pretty much die, all right? I think we haven't, seen those levels where we wiped out enough of these coins. So that could be another, another thing that we just waiting on, wiping out coins. Do you believe in the golden cross? No, I don't. I don't believe in none of that stuff. A golden cross, you can go and point it out, but I'm telling you right now, since because a lot of people look at maybe Bitcoin or something like that and say, "Hey, man, it worked 2 years straight," or every time it went, it did a golden cross, it worked. Well, guys, that nothing works 100% of the time. So it could be one time that it doesn't work. So just because it worked 2-3 times, you do you really expect it to work every single time? No. That's that's the beauty of the markets. Okay, things will work, once, twice, 3 times, and then that 4th time it doesn't work. So just because it worked 3 times doesn't mean it had to work the 4th time. So that's what most people have to understand. Okay, a golden cross doesn't mean anything to the market. The market is the market. The market can do whatever it wants to do. So no, I don't really care about no golden cross. I just trade whatever I see right in front of me. That's the best way to trade. This is how I'm able to do this full time. I don't guess. I don't try to look too far out in the future. I just take things day by day, minute by minute. Okay, that's how you do it. Are you just focused on BTC? Well, BTC is the main cryptocurrencies. All right. I mean, cryptocurrency. So, if Bitcoin is going up, everybody is going up. Bitcoin going down. For the most part, everybody's going down, right? So, I do, my technical analysis on Bitcoin because it's the main crypto. All right. Now, if you want, guys, if you want to learn how I'm able to basically read the market and trade full time, I do have a course, so you can check that out. Okay, I have a crypto course. crypto course will show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. All right, show you how to swing trade this, and also that comes with my day trading course. Okay, my day trading course will show you how to make money daily from the futures market, Forex market. All right, so if you are definitely interested in that, check out this link right here. Okay, and you will basically be a part of my Discord group, my private Discord group. Okay, where we post charts and basically talk about the markets. It's the group alone is actually worth the price of the course. So check that out. I actually made payment options for you guys that can't get it, full price. So I made payment options for you guys, right? And also, I actually made a video, I think either the day before yesterday, to show you guys you don't need a lot of money to make a living, okay, from this. Okay, I showed you guys trading futures with a 1K account. You can actually trade a little lower than that, but 1K account, right? I showed you guys 2 days ago. Just look at that video, my last video. Go check that out. I showed you guys I trade one contract and I made $200 that day. Okay, I specifically did that because to let you guys know, okay, you don't need a big account, because most people think when they see me make $2,000 or $5,000 in a day, they automatically they can't really picture themselves doing that. So I decided to make a video, trade in one contract to show you guys, hey, you can do this too. Okay, don't try to be like me. Okay, trust me, I've been doing this for 11 years, so don't try to be like me. You can still play the game and still make money. $200 a day, $100 a day. Okay, actually, I have one of my students. I don't know if he's on this live stream. Okay, I actually messaged him yesterday, and I said, "Did you trade live today?" He said, "Yes, it's trilling." I said, "How did it go?" He said, "Up $200 today. All thanks to you and your system. Just got to follow the tell signs and read the charts, and I'm on the demo practicing. I'm done live now." So after he made his $200, he's actually practicing on a demo. So this is basically, okay, exactly what I showed you guys on that video. Okay, some of you guys think I'd be lying, or I don't know, or whatever the case is, but some of you guys need to just take that financial education, understand that it's an asset, because it pays you. Once you gain that knowledge, it pays you over and over and over. Okay, and that's what you guys need with cryptocurrencies. Sometimes I can tell by the questions that you guys ask me. I can tell that you don't understand the charts. I can tell that your strategy is based on hoping and just having no strategy. Okay, some of you guys really don't have a strategy at all. Okay, I can tell, because I can guarantee you that, let's say that you hold Bitcoin or Litecoin or XRP, I can guarantee you don't even have a specific strategy or a specific number where you want to get out. Okay, some of you guys want to get out when you make $1 million, which is like unlikely, but some of you guys will have 900K in your account and you won't sell because it didn't hit $1 million. Okay, and then when XRP crash and you lose all that money, you're gonna be kicking yourself in the butt. Like, man, why they ain't sell? So the name of the game, guys, is taking profits. Okay, that's why I name my course "Trade and Take Profits," because that's the name of the game, man. Some of you guys have this imaginary number in your head that price don't even have to go up there. Okay, like, guys, let me just put it like this. All right, some of you guys, you're looking for that home run. Okay, I'm telling you right now, is home runs comes once in a blue, right? But those little pieces in between, it actually could come more often. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is it's easy to predict what's going to happen, 5 minutes from now versus what's going to happen 5 years from now. Okay, if I ask you, hey man, hey buddy, what are you going to do 5 minutes from now? Okay, you're going to say, I'll probably go to the store, get something to eat. But if I ask you, hey man, what are you going to do 5 years from now? I don't know, bro. I hope I get a raise for my job. I don't know. So most of you guys don't really have a decent strategy in the first place. You're looking for those home runs, man. Honestly, that's not the game you want to play, because those home runs, they come once in the blue. Most of you guys think this is the bottom and we're going to just shoot up. Guys, they don't even have to. Let me show you something. Let me show you something real quick. All right. Bitcoin can actually go. Let's say Bitcoin goes to 20K, right? And this is how crazy this is. And most people just don't understand this. Bitcoin can actually go all the way back to 20K, right? And when it hits that 20K level, right, find resistance right at that 20K level and go all the way back down, okay? People don't understand that this is how the market works. Like, this can actually happen. And don't you know, if Bitcoin, does something like this, how much time it's going to take to go right back to 20K? So this cycle right here could last for a good 5, 6, or 8 years just to go right back up to that 20K, okay? So most people don't even understand how the market works. Like, people just think it just go up and that's it. Like, bro, it don't have to just go up. All right? It just don't. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And if not, we can basically end the stream and we can go from there. So let me see here. You say you biting your nails here while we wait. So you biting your nails. So let me ask you, why are you biting your nails? Okay. Because I'm telling you right now, okay, and I hope you answer the question. Charo, you said you bite your nails. Why are you biting your nails? Because number one, if you understand the market, you're not going to be afraid of the market, right? You're not going to be afraid of it. Number two, if you're risking too much, then that's another reason why you could be afraid of the market. Okay, so those are the two main things. The reason why you're afraid of the market, you probably risk too much on one trade and you hope it works out. If it doesn't, you're gonna get wiped out. And number two, you don't understand the market. You don't understand how it works. How is working, and you're scared that things might not work out. So you have to, number one, increase your education, increase your knowledge. And number two, try not to go all in when you just invest or trade these cryptocurrencies or anything, stocks, anything. I don't care what it is. Let me see here. Well, I think about the classic. I don't know. Let me see, classic. Classic. Yeah, we could probably. All depends on if we basically break the low, we can continue to go all the way down. But if we hold this right here, okay, and we go up, then yeah, we can make another high. Now, making another high doesn't mean anything. I'm just basically trying to give you the possibilities. We could make another high, okay? But that high doesn't mean anything. It's just another high, okay? We just could poke that high. It's a little bit just to go right back down, okay? So I'm just giving you, a scenario where we can actually go up, because it does look like we have another up move, right? But another up move doesn't mean anything in the bigger picture. The bigger picture is still you know, a bear market. You said my religion does not allow margin trading. Can I still make a living without buying low and selling high? You said without buying low and selling high. So let me ask you a question, okay? And I don't know if you're still here. Why you said that your religion doesn't allow you to trade margin, okay? So buying low has nothing to do with margin. So let me, ask you that. Why can't you buy low? That has nothing to do with margin. So you can still make money without margin, okay? In 2017, I wasn't trading margin, right? I was trading regular cryptocurrencies, regular exchange. So you don't need margin, no. Okay, because the reason why you don't need margin with these cryptocurrencies is because they move in, the percentage wise they move pretty good, right? So the next question is why you can't buy low. I understand that you probably can't sell, okay, because if you short sell, you're going to need margin. So that's out of the question. But my next question is why can't you buy low? All right, so let me see here. I would never be close trading full time if it wasn't for Ben. I'm not there yet, but I know, and many others are damn close. Forever grateful, man. Shout out to you, Travis. Travis is actually one of my students. I got 100% fiat now, waiting for pullbacks. All right, shout out to you, bro. Well, it kind of went up just like that last year. Well, no, not last year. 2018 didn't just went up. I'm guessing you mean in 2019. I mean 17. But the difference between 2017 and 2000 and right now is we still stuck in that bear market. Okay. If you notice that 2017, when we got out that bear market, we was basically chopping around a little bit for a long time, and then we broke out of it. Okay. We still, if you look at this, we still didn't really break out of nothing. We still at this downtrend line right here. Okay. We're still at that downtrend line. If you look at this downtrend line, price is still stuck right here. And also, we have to get above that 6K level, which is a magic number. So you said that you can't short the market. Yes. So if you can't short the market, that means that you can still make money by, still buying the market without margin. Okay. You don't have to use margin. The only thing with that is you're going to have more capital. Okay. So you have to understand, if you don't have margin, okay, if you're not working with margin, you have to have capital. Okay. If you have capital, if you have a lot of capital, okay, you can still make money. Okay. But you have to have the capital. See, what margin allows you to do is take a small amount and basically make it big, right? Make it much bigger. So to fight that, if you don't have margin, you have to basically have a large amount. Okay, so yeah, you can still make money regardless. Now with cryptocurrencies, depending on what you're doing, you don't need that much large amount because the percentage wise they go up pretty good, especially these altcoins. Whenever these altcoins decide to go up, but at the same time, you're still going to need more money if versus if you trade in margin. All right, so let me answer some more questions and then I'm gonna get out of here. Short on EOS. We mean short on EOS. Not right now. It looks like it wants to make another high. Not right now. I think we got one more high with these cryptocurrencies before some sellers come in. You said, by the way, I checked the last 3 Golden Cross, and all of them had a 40% pullback after the cross. Okay, yeah, I mean, I definitely expect not only a pullback, but pretty much a new low. Okay, I just expect new lows, and it's just what it is. Until Bitcoin decides to tell me otherwise, I always expect new lows in the bear market. JR, what's going on? What's going on, Edward Park? Bat? You talking about stocks? Sheesh. You talking about stocks or crypto? Let me know. I'm reading these questions then. Hey, what's going on, Green Thumbs, man? Shout out to you. Do you think we'll make new highs weekly chart? I don't know why I cannot type this. Okay, so let's look at this. So he said new highs on the weekly chart. Okay, so I mean, right now this breakout looks good. It looks strong. The week is pretty much about to be over. So this breakout, yeah, it looks like it has enough room to definitely go up to the highs. That looks, that bar looks real strong right now. All right, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Right now, tomorrow actually, I'm off because the stock market is closed. Good Friday. If you guys don't have the my course by now, check it out. Especially if you want to just learn financial education, so you can actually learn how to just gain new skills. Because honestly, guys, some of you guys, I can just tell by some of you guys, you need to increase your financial education and increase your skills, because skills is actually what's gonna make you make money. All right, skills is actually is the key. Okay, and skills is basically education plus experience. So once you get the education, you just take action, practice, and gain that experience. All right, you guys need that. The best way to do that is learn from someone that's actually doing it. Okay, I'm not saying that just so you can actually get the course. I don't care, you get the course. You see how much I make per day. But at the same time, some of you guys really have to increase your cash flow. I told you guys this so many times. I don't care what you do. You don't even have to trade, okay? Do something to increase your cash flow. If you want to sell clothes on eBay, if you want to do wholesaling or Amazon, I don't even care what you do. Do something to increase your cash flow so you can help your family get out the matrix. The matrix is holding you down, okay? But the only way you can do that, okay, you have to educate yourself. I don't care what it is. If you want to start an eBay business, you can't just start it and you think you can be successful right away. You have to learn the process, okay? And that's what most people are trying to skip. They think they can actually do it on their own, and it actually costs them more money while they just basically just get that education right away. So if you guys, need help, you can email me, but overall, guys, it's so much money out here. And I just shake my head because I think a lot of people are not taking advantage. And I don't think this is going to be, well, the market is always going to be here. The market is always going to be here. But I'm not even talking about the market. I'm just talking about the internet in general. I don't think it's going to be this easy. Okay, right now it's just so easy to make money on the internet. Some of you guys are not even taking advantage of that, and I think some of you guys need to take advantage of this internet money. Okay, the way I make money is by just trading the markets on the internet from home. Okay, and it's one of the best feelings because you're at home and you can basically do whatever. You could do it wherever you want. Wherever you want. Okay, if you want to go to DR and trade, guess what? You could do that. Okay, if you want to take a trip and trade there, guess what? Vacation, you can still trade. Some of you guys had to take advantage of this life because time going by quick. All right, life is pretty short, especially once you start to have kids and you get older. Time just go by real quick. All right, and some of you guys just need to take action with something. I don't care what it is. Okay. I was actually listening to a YouTuber not too long ago, and next thing you know, he came back. He said he had a heart attack, and I'm like, what? And I think he's like 40-something years old. It makes you think, like, one day you're good, and next day, you're not good. So you have to take care of yourself. Make sure you take care of your health, exercise, eat good. Okay, and also make sure that you just take care, your education too. All right, take care. Just understanding how to take advantage of the money that's out here. Okay, there's so much money out here, guys. Right? Don't you know every time the market moves up, that's money. Every time it moves down, that's money. Right in front of your face, and you're not taking advantage of that. All right. So take advantage of just what the internet is giving us. Don't take this for granted. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. I hope you guys just practice, study. Okay. And if you guys have any questions, you can email me. Let me see. Ben, didn't you get a notification from you that we were live? Just see what you say you didn't get a notification. Oh, what's going on, bro? Yeah, sometimes the YouTube be So what's going on, satellite? This guy's a hater. I don't know, I don't know who this guy is. The Wealth said, want to learn Forex, although crypto is better. No, man, the Wealth unit, bro. Don't ever say crypto is better, okay? The Forex is actually a lot of money, too. My course right here teach you Forex, it teach you crypto, and it teach you the futures market, all right? The Forex, you can still make money. Don't say it's better. Actually, in my opinion, Forex moves much better. when it comes to just movement. Okay, you know how crypto is. Sometimes it just moves for 1 day or 2 days, and next day it just consolidates for another week or two. So Forex is actually good, all right? So don't just overall hate on Forex. All right, guys. So I'm out here. I'm about to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna be basically on the internet tomorrow or the weekend. I'm not too sure, but if not, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Practice and just get better, bro. You know, that's what life is about. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.